Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful videos. So first of all, let's open settings. You need to swipe up and find this button and tap on it. Here scroll down using your finger, or you can scroll by moving this digital crown. Find System and go there. Here we can see many functions, many options, but we need this reset button. Tap on it and confirm to erase all data. You will feel the vibration and the power will go off. Now we need to wait till they turn on again. As you can see, you need to choose language as you did when you first bought your watch and try to turn them on. Now, we need to disconnect them from the app. Go there, find your device and then tap on the tab Wearables. And here swipe to the left to unpair and confirm this step. Now we go to the settings in the Bluetooth and we need to forget this device. Like this. Tap this button, confirm. And that's all. Now our watch has been reset and we need to reconnect them again. So now just simply follow the instructions that will appear on your screen and reconnect them with your phone. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.